flood warning for the Shenandoah River at Neelville from Friday evening until further notice. At 4 p.m. Thursday, the stage was 4.4 feet and steady. Flood stage is 10.0 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. Rise above flood stage by late tomorrow evening and crest near 13.4 feet by early Saturday evening. Impact at 14.0 feet. Several roads along the river in Jefferson and Clark counties are flooded and closed. Most of Watermelon Park is flooded, along with a significant portion of the Cool Spring Battlefield property. Flood history. This crest compares to a previous crest of 13.0 feet on September 29, 2018. This is the NOAA